In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to snooze property on booking.com. If you need to pause new bookings without deleting your listing or changing a lot of settings, the quickest way is to make your rooms unavailable by setting the inventory to 0 across the dates you want. Think of it like putting your calendar on hold. Guests can see that you're not available, and no new reservations can come in, while your existing bookings remain untouched. Once you're in your booking.com extranet, head to the top navigation and open the Rates and Availability section. From there, choose Calendar. This brings up your availability by date, and for each room type, you'll see numbers that represent how many rooms are open to sell on any given day. That's the area we'll update to snooze the property. Click into the availability field for your room type and change the number of rooms to 0. 0 means you're telling the system there's nothing to sell that night, which effectively closes those dates to new reservations. If you have more than one room type, repeat the same adjustment for each one so everything is consistently unavailable. To apply this across more than just a single day, use the calendar's date selection tools to extend the change to future dates. Most calendars let you select a range, a set of days, or even from today onward. Choose the window that matches how long you want to snooze your property. If you're not sure how long you'll be closed, it's still a good idea to set a clear endpoint so you don't forget to reopen later. Before finalizing, take a quick glance over the dates you selected and confirm every relevant room type shows 0. When everything looks right, click Save. You should see a confirmation message, and your calendar will update to reflect that no rooms are available for the dates you chose. Keep in mind, it can take a short while for the change to fully propagate, and existing bookings will stay in place as normal. If you work with a channel manager, double-check that it isn't set to push inventory back to booking.com automatically. If it is, your changes could be overwritten. Also, remember that snoozing by setting inventory to 0 is reversible. When you're ready to reopen, return to rates and availability, open the calendar, restore the number of rooms to the correct count for the dates you want to sell again, and click Save. That's all there is to it.